The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Aga arpo arterik uni bunai uricing son siang chai dia we kejebab nama reply yang ke RTI wale kepada bu una dok kali pawi trik ujulai uni usnem hei to we rukom tungkrek we rukom krek kam ke district selection committee ke East Giant Hills district uricing son da bu we ke first appeal ha first appellate authority naduk akat nyau trik September hei to we ketai ke RTI ni bah we mem yo we kejebab ha pok le paus ngi we imbiang rukom krek kam PIO Wai hadin wa yo jubab no first appellate authority di yo ulai chem yang jubab RTI aga arpo artrik nu benai. Yang kata jubab Richardson dapat siau wa po hado arajan ruspa khandesla wai ga bai jubab RTI de kan jok hado sanaja arpa tam wai MK musui kan bah wa appeal to first appellate authority yo pengkrek kam yang section 86 yang ga RTI act kepada kedawa wapan RTI ulai u sui ga bai RTI ne bah wa myo e jubab no PIO ha po le paus ngi. Apoi sanar wa poisa kutiau dara u Richardson hau benai wadap wusu une hiko ha o Richardson da pentiu wa ke RTI wa ar wa yo juba wa ketia wadap de chem wa M gibru M1 yele written exam tang wa enroll lambar ki mi hio la chakhmat hayele kre wa ye ni borok dang pure benia wa da pentip ba wan hadin de wa benia hay to wan wa borok ki leteli RTI wa bu ha ke DSC de kerpa wi ki ba wa man ke wa ya cha hay wa da pentip chapang gawi pakawi
Ini ke awal tarik benar Oktober ajar pausan ngakamu wada file RTI hetok konkret kami ke DSC East Giant hayetok waga RTI kuale ku ada file ke DSC ku man ke lepawi tarik Julai ajar pausan ini nak dau ku konkret kami umbiang yang PIO penman yang abot ada ke first appeal hak nyau tarik September ajar pausan the ufat appellate authority le da respond ya gatai hak ada pak wan him yang ayat kejubab ku man ini arjan rus pak kendes lah tahu itu ganin le kepada upai ba wa ilat yang wenalai seki tu pentipen cau upai ba the kacak ku kana ku ki wada dep chaden le emi ki loopholes ku konkret kam jong DSC ku wina konuksa kat kam kejubab ku ada ki changa Kuat buat jengkeli ke DSC. Kamu khud pi yau candidate la neki candidate ki wa absent haka written test khud pi yaki chaka next stage. Ya kete yo akat kam kejubab ku AP hanga haka second RTI. Wa kiwi le dang pensnau chupai ba. La de ilat pi yau candidate ku absent haka written test upwa chaka first chaka next stage. Warok gitu ku apply to ukhud lang pi we appear ki chawarok ki stages ku dang sa yung kermit proses wa kiwi le dang kana de yo kami upai ba ya kani le ku arjan rus pa sla ku po cha kisan hajar aspa tam pisau to usu hende nei da ku konkret kamu PIO wembiang da appeal le aku exam yang akat kam ke section 86 yang ke RTI Act ku kedaw atau la public authority eu ya ke jubab ha po live house ni ku to kam ke time period ku tau ki ngau nong apply uyo ya free of course ya kini ke jubab te ya ke tu ke pisanar ku ada le mem kam diu su te ya kibi le ke benta adin da analyze dong pentip chupai ba di ku chia kedar ne kat ke jingchem ku yang ala de man ku to la ne bakla le pentip chapi